Howdy folks. Today we are looking at a SU-8055 that came to me, quote unquote, from a smoke-free environment. Given what I can see of this thing, comparing it with the one below it, especially here on the back, you can see the yellowing going on up here, especially over on the jacks, things like that. Very much not from a smoke-free environment, but the seller was pretty cool about it and did make it right, so all good there. But I'm gonna open this thing up quick and we'll take a look inside, see how dirty it is in there, and then we're gonna run through a magical cleaning process, which I'm not going to show you, and I'm also not going to tell you what it is. So yeah, we'll run through that and see how it goes. Nice and clean. Gorgeous. All right, so now that we can see what we're working with, we are going to magically run our cleaning process, and we will look at the outcome. All right, well, I don't know about you, but I think that looks a whole heap of a lot better. And yeah, you want to check out the front. This is the control, if you will. And this is the one that was coated in nicotine. I am overall pretty happy with how that came out. Yeah, and definitely the inside came out quite gorgeous as well, which I'm pretty happy about. So yeah, I'm gonna keep this one quick today. Like I said, I'm not gonna go into what I did here because nobody likes cleaning videos, but I just thought this would be a contrasty enough transformation here to be worth changing, or sorry, to be worth shooting. And yeah, so there's a little bit of work left to do on this one now before it goes down the road. The VU meters are out of alignment. I'm gonna need to do some listening tests, probably clean up the switches, the contactors are a little rough, things like that. Kind of the normal song and dance. And yeah, then we'll get this one going on down the road, and we will, see what we do after that. So yeah, I guess that's all we're gonna do for today. And thank you as always for watching, and we will see you in the next one.